tomorrow, sunshine. I want it round here. Don't make it so. Sitting in the middle of this cornfield, my daddy warned me to go. Highway 41 I know, and just where it goes, but I can't, I won't, I won't. Damn this dry county, number 9 cold. I wish I didn't need the heat so bad. Christ, it's getting cold. No jobs here in Nine Fingers, hey, but that's the way it goes. There's not much left here, no, but I wonder if I could stir it with this old stick, what would float? like this living, working the land. When my daddy was alive, it made a lot more sense, but things was different then. Now he's gone, most of my friends too. I got the itch where a little luck would do, but I can't, I won't, I can't move. Cigarette, this land I walk. I ain't gonna worry about the Chevrolet, the trouble I got enough. 'Cause Nancy's packed and wants an answer from me, or says she's not coming back. Not much left here, I know, but I wonder if I could stir it with this old stick, what would flow? There's not much left here, I know, but I wonder if I could spend a little more, but I don't know. First get over falling, learn to live alone. What's the use of calling and hanging up the phone? First get over falling, stop going back to home. Can't you see she don't want you, wake, he don't fit the door. First get over falling, what you trying to do? First time around so crazy, why you wanna make it two, yeah. First get over falling, I know it's hard to do, especially when you want her so badly. I see she don't want you. Make it through the night. Things always look a little better when the morning's bright, yeah. First get over falling when I know it's hard to do, especially if you want her so badly, she don't want you. What you trying to do? Things always look a little better. I see your black and blue now. First get over falling, and love will come again. If you don't believe in bad luck, broken hearts can